Hey, my name is Yura and welcome to Alphie. In this video, I'll do a quick step-by-step onboarding to help you start using the product and qualify leads in real time in no time. Right, so first you have to sign up with your Google account and enter your company name, Alphie, company website, meetalphie.com. On this step, you have to create your ideal customer profile. This will help Alphie assess all the incoming leads against the ICP, rank them, and therefore recommend whether you should jump on a call with them or not. So you can pick industries. I will do our example. So we work with pretty much most of the software SaaS startups, mostly B2B. So we can choose AML2, we can choose professional services, type of business is B2B, SaaS, PaaS, infrastructure as a service, company stage, seed startup, pre-seed startup, it could be bootstrapped, absolutely, but we don't aim like at very big companies yet. So the company size, target buyer role, you can choose founder, CEO. We in our case, it's head of growth, also VP of sales. And then anything else we should know about your ICP, right? Because this is AI, so it can work with less structured data as well. So we are looking founders of early stage startups. Then sales leaders of growth stage startups. There you go. Key pain you solve. Qualifying leads in real time. So as you can see, this field is really necessary because it helps to personalize your communication with the leads. This one is optional. Okay, next step is connecting your Slack workspace. There we go. Allow Alphie the Queue app to access Slack. Allow. Now here, this is the app, how it appears in Slack. Alphie the Queue, after you add it to Slack, and it sends you this message, which explains how do you add it to a particular channel. It could be any channel. So in our case, like we recommend to create a specific channel for lead capture, right? Not to distract and not to create more chaos in the other channels. So we have this special channel lead capture. Basically, all you do, you just type Alphie in the channel and it adds the app. This one is already in the channel, so nothing changes for me. Next step, you got to activate the app by signing up to monthly or yearly payment plan. You have a 7-day free trial. Nothing is charged during this trial, and you can cancel at any time. So let's say I select yearly. Right, we're using Slack as a payment gateway. All right, you're all set. Now, let's fine-tune your lead capture. So this is how the process looks like. There is a lead capture form on your website. In a moment, you can see how to create that or how to embed the code inside your existing web page. Then there is a lead qualification algorithm. So as soon as someone fills in the form, our AI finds out whether they are a real person and how well they match the ICP. And it does it usually within 1 second, 2 seconds max. So if it's not an ICP, it just goes directly to the demo booking page. And then later you can decide. They still book the demo, but you can cancel it at any moment if you see it's not an ICP. If it is an ICP, you receive a Slack message and start the chat. Now we're going to show you how it works. So first of all, when you start the chat, your lead is going to see these first 2 initial messages. Those are automated. Here you can edit them. For example, I say, "Hi there, I'm Yura," and yep, it's really me typing, not an AI. So instead, you can say, I don't know, how's your day going so far, right? And as you can see, it's immediately shown here. Here you add the video link. This one is mine. And as you can see, the button activates as soon as you add it. There is another button. So for example, they are not ready to engage yet. They are just exploring. In this case, they would prefer to book a call later. You can change the text on this button as well. Like for example, you can say, I prefer to chat later, for instance. Yeah, and it changes here on the button. Here you add your LinkedIn profile and your location. All right, you're all set. Now, next step is to connect your calendar. So you can see, you can show it on the booking page, and they can choose what is the time to book, what is the right time to book when you're available. Here you go. So you can add multiple calendars if you want, another one, but it's optional. Finally, there is your booking preferences page. So it's my meeting availability. I can change it here. You know, for example, I want to sleep longer on Monday. You can add a buffer time. And there is a booking page title, book a demo. This is booking page description. So something coming up to the table like, thanks for signing up for Alphie. Complete. There we go. Now let's test it. Let's see how this lead capture actually looks like at the moment. So this is the form, right? You can embed this form either by copying a link and like having a whole dedicated page. That's how it looks like in this case. Or you can embed it into your existing page by copying this iframe code and just adding it there. Now you can add your logo. For example, boom, here is our logo. And you can see it immediately shows on the form. You can change the size. You can also use logo as a fav icon. You see it immediately here. And the form updates in real time. Also, you can change the colors. For example, I want a button to be red or pink. And I want the progress bar to be green. There you go. And once again, everything is immediately reflected in the form. Okay, let's test it in action. I'll use my co-founder's name. I hope she doesn't mind. So Olena is currently filling in the form on your website. The company is Alphie. Next. So within about 1 second, I get this new notification. It says Olena, Alphie. It only says Alphie is an AI meeting assistant startup. Like we do meeting assistants, but that's not the main thing with us. Still, what matters is that it gives the ICP rating. It's a potential fit, right? Because it aligns with the B2B SaaS ICP. So what I can do now, I can click Start Chat. And while Olena is still like filling the form and trying to book the demo, I jump on the live chat with her instead. So as you can see, all these changes are here that we made before, and I chat with Olena directly from Slack. So let's say she responds, "Hi Yura," and I can see it here. Hey, thanks for responding. Boom. And if she wants, Olena can even jump on a live call with me right away. Hello.